Hello, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Sangrila with Ila Anand Acharya. This is a 30-day free workshop based on the very famous Ho'oponopono prayer, which is in Hawaiian system, known for healing, magical, miraculous results after doing it. So today is day 15, and on day 15 I'm going to share with you uh, side effects of Ho'oponopono prayer. Actually, I have already uploaded one of the video on this channel itself, which was long back, I think 1 year back itself. But today, as the part of the series, I am going to share with you the same detail, but in brief, because I'll be adding that link of that video also below in the description, so that you can compare both the thing. Anyway, so when I say side effects of Ho'oponopono prayer, it usually means the not on the negative side, on the positive side. Sometimes initially when you start doing Ho'oponopono prayer, many people have this experience that they start getting more negative situation, they start getting more negative circumstances, more problems will come into your life. And that is true. If your memory is really full of negative energy, if your memory is not yet been deleted, you are negative for these long years, you are always complaining, you are always blaming someone else, that means your subconscious mind is full of all that negative data. So what will happen? Ho'oponopono prayer is doing like samudra manthan. Okay, whenever in that samudra manthan has taken place, then the very first thing that came out was that wish poison from that samudra manthan, and after that, at last, the amrit came out, right? Particularly, if I remember it well. So what I mean to say over here, that this is the similar example as I have already given earlier also, that there is a glass, that is a glass full of negative energy, full of dust and mud and all the rubbish inside it. That is your subconscious mind. And what you have started now, if you have started pouring the clean water, it will not help you. The clean water has become again the muddy water. So Ho'oponopono prayer over here is cleaning that mud, cleaning that rubbish, whatever is there inside it, all the things from your glass, and that then pouring the good water, which is law of attraction techniques and all that. Fine. So initially when you start doing this Ho'oponopono prayer, or even trigger words or Ho'oponopono tool, sometimes you get negative situations around it. That doesn't mean you have to stop it. That means the Ho'oponopono prayer is working for you, because it is cleaning, it is focusing on the things which are needed to be removed, which are needed to be cleaned, which are needed to be deleted. The baggages, the garbages are coming out from your life. So this negative situation is coming because it needed to be healed, it needed to be erased from your memory, it is needed to be taken care of. And once it is taken care of, it will never look back to you again. So that is why sometimes you get these negative situations around you, or sometimes even you start getting physical feelings. Sometimes you get this sore throat. It happened to me during lockdown, that I started doing Ho'oponopono prayer, and lockdown was the time when the symptom of the corona was the same: sore throat, nosy, and all that. And I was like, on my head, it is like I'm gone now. But after researching about these things and all that, xyz things, I came to know, I came across the video of Synchro Shakti, and where she explained that the same thing happened to her when she started with Ho'oponopono prayer, and all the bad things came to her. And the same thing has been given in the book At Zero by Dr. Joe Vitale, the Advanced Ho'oponopono prayer. If you know that after this book Zero Limits, he has written the book At Zero, and the very first chapter of At Zero is about the side effects of Ho'oponopono prayer, where Dr. Joe Vitale explained that all the bad things started happening to him after writing this, and he was so happy that Zero Limits is famous, Ho'oponopono prayer. But when the things are started cleaning, his best friend has started having some issues with his best friend, and some health issues were there, and he was like, what is happening? I am doing Ho'oponopono prayer, cleaning, and it is giving me all these problems. And then slowly steadily continuously doing this, then he came to know that why it has happened to him. So side effect, if it is negative, then you imagine and you consider it that yes, the things have started working for you. Ho'oponopono prayer has started working for you. That is why the negative situations are coming. It will not remain permanently. It has come out to get healed. It is like that poison which has come out, so that now the Amrit will be able to show its space over there. Okay, so it is like making the space. So sometimes sore throats, headaches, nose running, all these might happen to you, but that doesn't mean that you should stop doing Ho'oponopono prayer. Just take the treatment. Some, for if you really feel, if it is getting heavy on you, then take a break. Just relax, don't do anything, don't do Ho'oponopono prayer, don't do law of attraction, any technique, don't do any kind of things, and just relax. Focus on the things which you do daily, the daily basis, office going, studying, doing your household work. Focus on that. Start watching some good movies or some comedy, and then the moment you are feeling relaxed once again, then you again pick up on the Ho'oponopono prayer, on the Ho'oponopono tools, and then you will find that certain things will start taking place at the right time, at the right place, and you will feel good, and your manifestation will also will come into your life. Okay, so side effects of Ho'oponopono prayer is that starting, if the negative things are coming, don't get afraid. It is all good for you, but don't stop doing it. If you stop doing it, then again in that glass the mud, the all the kachra will be there, and again even if you do law of attraction or anything, then it will not going to help you. You have to first clean that space to add on to some positive thing. Okay, so keep doing it continuously, consistently, 24/7, 108 repetition. Write the Ho'oponopono prayer, listen to Ho'oponopono prayer, listen to Morna Simeona on the YouTube channel, and you can share with me your amazing results, your miraculous magical stories. Thank you, love you, bye.